So here's how the shower works. My switch, for some reason, is not working right now, so we're just gonna have to manually connect this battery. Like that, make sure the water line's on. That's dripping a little bit, I'll tighten that up. Make sure power, make sure the gas is on. And then this right here, you just flip the switch to on, and you can hear it light. I don't know if you can see the flame in there or not, but I can definitely hear it. And I can feel it coming out. So it says it's at 95, 97, 98, 99, 102, 104, 106 degrees, 109 degrees, 108, 106, 104. Let's see, make this a little bit warmer. 100. 104 degrees. So we're good there. Go in here and check it out. The shower is working. It is nice and hot. So there we go. Got a shower. It's all good. If it gets too steamy in here, you can open this up. But if not, then we're good to go. It says it's at 99 degrees. So we could turn the heat up a little bit more if we wanted to. We have this set to winter. I don't know if that makes a difference, but